Good morning. Thank you, Ma'am Mona Lisa Cabarobias, for the generous introduction. And of course, welcome to our third Grand Alumni Homecoming. The theme is Recall, Reconnect, and Reunite. I feel nervous, no? And also excitement. I don't know why, because maybe 1983, mo ang last ako saka sa stage. Usa kausa rin yun. From grade 1 until grade 6, kausa rin ko na kasaka. Diha, katurang pag-graduation. Sorry. Because at those times, we're batch with 83, ang mangharos gina ito sa una, huwag hinain. Kailangan siguro mo. Si Mona Lisa Caballo na yan. No? Di kinamalalis. Once na mag-graduation na gani, end of the school year, kami, huwag yun kami sa... Although, there's some our batch na nasa academic achiever, no? But huwag yung makatubong ni Mona siya yun na, no? Antun high school. Anyway, more on that, more ang makarelate ko sa gingon ni Father Ginihaba, no? So to? Kasi, a little bit yaw-yaw, usasag ko na produkto, no? Di ko kalimot na grade 2 na po, hanggang ko ni Ma'am Canadania. Ako lang issue, no? Kaya kinitanan yun nga lugar, na ako, wala na ako madagani. Ako yung idagani tanan. Because at those times, wala pa ng cellphone, wala pa ng internet. Ang amo sa una is, katurag yung gugod-gugod. Hindi mo bugay niya ito. But, katong tayo man, nagyap yung kuksi. Lunit sa palihaban na sa motivation, no? Para na mo'y nagtutang sa una-una na dapat magtinarong yung dieta, no? Salamat sa atong maestra sa unang medyo nakaroon, no? Well, anyway, once again, good morning. It's a great honor and privilege to stand before you today. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share this special occasion with you. To our beloved Principal, Ma'am Jessica Narbasa, she's here. And to our former teachers, Nanang Carolino, and to all teachers, my fellow alumni, and especially those mentioned, my batch 83, no? Good morning. Welcome back. As I look around this place today, I don't see doctors, teachers, parents, business owners. I see the playful kids who once trading snacks at recess time, whispered secrets during class, and dream about changing the world while chasing each other at the school year. It feels like only yesterday we were sitting on this ground. We learned how to read and how to write, and perhaps most importantly, how to share and be kind. We might not have realized it then, but the lessons we learned in our years of elementary lead us a foundation for everything we have become today. Take a moment to look at the person sitting next to you. Life takes us all in different directions and in different paths, and down in different career. But whenever we return here, the year seems to melt away. The bonds that we have formed in our youth are the testament to the community that lead us. To our former teachers and to all teachers teachers who are here with us today. Thank you. Thank you for your endless patience, for believing in us before we believe in ourselves. Your impact extends far beyond the classroom, and we carry your lessons and everything we do. As we celebrate today, let us not only reminisce the past, but also look forward to the future. Let's commit to carrying the spirit of our childhood, our curiosity, our hope, and our ability to dream big into the next stage in our lives. Thank you to the organizing committee for bringing us all together. And thank you to everyone here for making this day so special. Let's make this day a beautiful celebration in our shared roots, and let's promise to keep this connection alive for the years to come. Thank you, and may God bless us all.